What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you why I'm gonna be burning my money in the Ledger Nano with all my cryptocurrencies in my front yard. Coming up. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you've seen the Bitcoin prices. It went like super high, now it's going down. And you know, I'm not really want to get stressed anymore. So what am I gonna do? I'm going to bury my Ledger Nano. That's where I used to see all of my crypto portfolio and the value of every single coin that I have every day in the morning and every day in the night, and probably sometimes between in the day to see how my coins are performing. But you know, that's too much stress. Like I already bought, let's just hodl. Like, let's wait for 1-2 years and let's just relax and let our money work to make more money. And today I'm gonna be burying my Ledger Nano in my front yard because I don't want to have the temptation to connect my Ledger Nano and see the value of my portfolio. And yeah, I mean, I feel pretty excited to just feel relaxed and enjoy the ride to the moon. I'm looking for a shovel, but the only one that I have in my house, it's this one right here. Pretty small, but I think that one will do the work. Let's get started. I'm gonna be doing a time lapse. You don't have to wait. I've been doing it for like 5-10 minutes, and this is how it looks like right now. I don't know if that's deep enough or if I should keep digging a little more. This is so much fun. I'm done digging the hole finally, and now this is what I'm gonna be storing there. I'm gonna be storing the Ledger Nano, and also I'm gonna be writing a note to my future self in 2 years when I open it, just to see how I was thinking. And I don't know, I feel it's gonna be pretty cool when I go ahead and open it. Alright, I have it here. Now I'm gonna cover it with tape, so if there are any leakings, it won't happen anything to it. And I'm also cover the metallic frame with tape, so we don't see any leaks in the future. Alright, so we are ready to start putting everything on the metal box. I wrapped the note around with tape. Hopefully it doesn't deteriorate really bad. I think it will, but who cares. And here we have the Ledger Nano. So let's just start packing everything so we can put it in the hole. I made sure before try to put the box in that it fits really well. Oh, it's a little deep. And it's perfect. Let's just now start putting the door back in and make it like nobody dig a hole right there. One of my cousins wanted to help me out, so I have him working. We finally made it, and this is how it ended up looking like. I know you can see some dirt around it. We just did it on purpose. When I watered it later, it's gonna look just fine. What's in my ledger? I have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Binance Coin, and land in Decentraland. I think my portfolio is pretty stable even if alts go down and Bitcoin goes up. That's why diversifying is good, but don't overdo it. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you like it. And if you have experienced the same roller coaster of emotions with cryptocurrencies, let me know in the comments below. See you on the next video.